Hello friends, I'm Alfred from TTMC, Tengzhou Trade Union Machinery Company. Our company is special and professional manufacturer of metalworking machines, like the bandsaw or sheet metalworking machines, drilling machines, something mainly for the metalworking, and also we have some woodworking machines. If you want details, you could contact our service team. Here today, I would like to introduce our shearing machines. This is a plate shearing machines. This is a hydraulic model. It's a very heavy-duty shearing machines. It's for thick plates. Here I have a thin plate here, and this one, maximum cutting thickness is 6.5 millimeters for mild steel. Also, it could cut some stainless steel, but a little thinner. And the weight here is 1,300 millimeters. It's a very powerful shearing machines. If you have request of industrial use for thick plates, I recommend these machines for you. Okay, here I introduce the operation of these machines. Here you can see it's the main switch. Main switch here. Here is stop. You can see the light is power off, and this power on. And as this is a hydraulic model, so we have start the pump. Okay, you can see there's something. You can hear there's something noise from the hydraulic station inside the machines. And this is the stop of the hydraulic station. Okay, power on. And here you can see the machine have two operation model. This is auto and this is inch. I'll show you how this works. Okay, now let's turn to the auto. I'll press the foot pedal to show how the auto the machine works. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. This is auto type. Okay. You can see when I press the foot pedal at the auto station, the machine make a cutting and then the beam is to the original position. Okay, you can see when I press it, not cutting, I release my hand foot. The beam will to the original position. Okay, now let's do the inch size. Okay, you can see the machine will stop when you release the foot pedal. Okay, let's make a full cutting. Now it's cutting the materials, and here you have to switch the auto. Then the blade, the beam will up. Okay, this is the cutting operation. Here you can see this is a back gauge. This will help you. For example, if you want repeat cutting, this will help you to make the repeat size. And here, this is reverse. That means the back gauge is moved far from the machines. Okay, let's see it. Okay, now it's reverse. And here, this is forward. That means the back gauge is move forward the cutting blade. Okay. Okay, I will adjust it. Okay, now you can see the data is minus now. When you're cutting, this is not impossible. So we have adjusted it to 0. We have to adjust the back gauge. Okay. Now it's almost near the lower blade, but it have a small distance. So this time you need the this manual adjustment. But you can see when I turn the knob, the data is not changed. This is because when the automatic electric okay, when the electric, you can see the wheels here is not move because this will protect the workers. Okay, that's to this wheels. So okay, I forward it. You can push, just push the handles. You can see here when this time, yes, the data is moving. So also the back gauge is moving. Okay, now there's a little distance still. Okay, now just press this button. Okay, you can see the data will change. Okay, now here is the 0%. In this status, the back gauge is touch the lower blade of the machine. When you operate the machines, please be sure the back gauge should not touch the lower blades because the upper blades will damage it. Okay, this the 0% is just for adjusting the back gauge. And okay, this is the operation of these machines. It's very easy. Here, I will introduce the main structure of these machines. And here, can you see it clearly? Okay. This is the work table, and here you can see there are several bolts on it. This structure will help you easy to push the materials like this. Yeah, it's very easy for you to push the materials. So save a lot of labor. If you put some heavy materials, this will make it easy to push it. Okay. And here we have, you can see we have back gauge. Here I touch this one. It's the front gauge. There's there's a gauge, scale on this gauge. This is showing the distance from the upper blades. That means, for example, if you want materials like that, if you want materials just distance in front side. For example, here I touch 550. If you want this, okay. If you want fix the distance front side, that will help you. If you want, for example, now I fix this pricing. It indicates 550. This in this station, so the size behind in front of the cutting blade is 550. This will help you to make a repeat cutting of the front sides. Okay, in this you can see here. This is the distance from the blade to here is 550. In this status, the materials you want here is 550. 50. Okay, you can see this gauge is a very long gauge, up to 1570. It's a very long distance. It's enough distance for cutting. Okay, now this is the front of the machines. Now we are go the back of the machines to see what is the back side. Okay. Here we are at the back side of the machines. You can see there's a device here with a handle. Yes, yes, there's a gauge here. You can see there's oil. This is a lubrication device. It will lubricate the moving parts by this device, because this machine, this shearing machine, have a lot of moving parts. You have to lubricate normally when you use the machines. But this is very easy just with this device. All the moving parts will lubricate just by press the handles, and just fill the lubrication oils from from here. And here in the front side, I adjust is an electric back gauge. Here is the motor for the back gauge. The moving distance back gauge is 630 millimeters. Okay. Evan will operate the back gauge and show. Okay. Now it's moving back side. You can see the moving parts. This is an electric. The back gauge move forward and upward. Okay. Here you can see here and here. This is the limited switch. When the it's touched by this one. There's a limited switch. When the gauge arrives to this position, it will stop automatically. In this, because when you operate the machines, you are in the front side. But if you the gauge if moved to the limited switch, it will hurt the machines, damage the machines. So we make a limited switch here to help you know it's to the limit. You should stop the gauge now. And also, there's a gauge for the up and down of the upper beam. This is also a very easy limited switch, and it's a very easy structure. In this structure, if you have different thickness plates, it will be adjusted slightly. Can you see it clearly? There's a slide hole. It could be adjusted according your request. Okay, I introduced so much. And for shearing machines, if you want cutting different thickness plates, you have to adjust the blade clearance. This is normal for all the shearing machines, no matter manual one, electric model, or this hydraulic one. The adjusting of this machine, the blade clearance is also very easy. Here we come to the side of these machines. And here you can see there's 4 bolts. This is to fix the upper beam. For this machine, the blade clearance is adjusted by the front, the upper beam front and backwards. Okay, this is the fixed beam, bolts. So you have to release these 4 bolts, and just release it and ensure the upper beam could move. These 4 bolts is also in another side of the machines. It's to fix the upper beam. Okay, that's to the back side. Here, okay, you can see this bolt and this nut, and this is for pull, and this is for push. It's to adjust the blade clearance. We call it blade clearance. The upper beam, okay, it should be adjusted upper beam position, forward and backward to make the blade clearance and to suit different thickness plate. And here, this device is in both sides of the machines is to ensure the machine should move, ensure the 2 sides of the machine in the same position. And we have a chart to show different materials, different material thickness to make a different blade clearance. So this, if you, for example, 1 millimeter thickness is about 0.05 millimeters. It's a very small blade clearance. This will ensure you get a perfect cutting. Otherwise, if you adjust it's too big, for example, 1 millimeter, but you adjust it to 0.2 millimeter, this will not cutting or cutting not very well, or just bending, just make a bending but not cutting of the plates. This is very important when you cutting the machines. Okay, now I'll show the cutting. Okay, here is a support. This is the support of this front gauge, because we have an iron pallet, so this is not grounded. And for this machine, I've got an important thing. Can you see it clearly? Okay, there's 2 bolts fixed on the pallet. When you receive the machines, you could lift the machine by the this hook, and this is the hook, and fixed on the machines with these bolts. Here, my finger here is a black. This is for fixed on the ground, and here you can see this is a bolt. This is to adjust the machines in the same line and make it horizontal. Okay, this is the adjustment of the machines when you install it. And if you have any questions, you could contact our service team. They will give you very professional suggestions. Okay, now I'll show the cuttings. No matter the front gauge or the back gauge, it will help you to make no matter the front gauge or the back gauge, this is just for strict cutting. But you can see here, I'm with a mark pen, I make incline cutting. But in this conditions, how it works. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, I want just cutting this angle, but with the gauge, it's only cut the strict line. This strict line will cutting with the gauge is okay, but you can see when I cutting the angle, this will not okay. So okay, the machine is now on. Okay. I have to Okay, the back gauge is now stop the machines. Okay, I have to make it. Okay. I have to make it for. Okay, I think it now have enough space. Inside the machines, can you see the red point? There's a cutting line. It means the blades will cutting in this line. It's a very useful device. Okay, I move the materials. Okay, you can see the cutting line is now in the same line of the line I just with the mark pen. Okay, now I will press the pedal for cutting. Okay. Okay, now you can see it's move. It make angle cutting with the line, the cutting line, and okay here I've got a very important thing. Here is a timer. That means the blades, the cutting blades is will stay a whole long time. If you cutting thick plates, I think 3 seconds will be enough. But for thin plates, this will could adjust short time. This will save time, and for generally we adjust this before we export the machines to you. If unnecessary, I don't think it's very. You need to adjust this one, and also for cutting machines, the cutting blade is very important. If not a good cutting blade, it will the cutting blade will affect the operation life of these machines. For these machines, the lower blades it could be used both sides. For example, it's a cutting blade. It could be used this side and this side. Just okay, I'll to the back side to show you the blade. Okay, here I'm in back side. You can see the blades here and here. This is both the cutting edge. When you use the machines, for example, if the upper cutting edge is worn out, just release this bolt here. There are several bolts to fix the blades, and just release this and turn the blades, and you can use this turn this gauge in the upside. So you could use another new blades. Okay. This is the machine I just want to introduce you. And for this type of industrial heavy-duty shearing machines, we also have different working weights to suit for different requests. If you have any questions or have any problem, any request, inquiry, you could contact our service team or visit our website, www.ttmc.cn. You will find a lot of useful machines and useful information on our website. Okay, this is I want to introduce you, and next time I will introduce another models of TTMC. Okay, bye bye.